For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Pakistan has conveyed its readiness to India to reopen the Kartarpur corridor on Monday, that is June 29th. Kartarpur corridor will be opened on the occasion of the death anniversary of Sikh Guru Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The Kartarpur corridor will be reopened after 3 months. The corridor was shut in March this year as a precautionary measure to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus. Pakistan Foreign Affairs Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi took to Twitter to confirm the news. As places of worship open up across the world, Pakistan prepares to reopen the Kartarpur Sahib corridor for all Sikh pilgrims, conveying to the Indian side our readiness to reopen the corridor on 29th of June 2020, the occasion of death anniversary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. In March this year, New Delhi had temporarily suspended registration and travel to the corridor due to the pandemic. Pakistan Foreign Office has confirmed that the Kartarpur corridor will be reopening on June 29th. The Kartarpur corridor is a true symbol of peace and religious harmony, and this landmark initiative by Pakistan has been immensely appreciated by the Sikh community all over the world, including India. As the religious places are gradually opening up around the world, Pakistan has also made necessary arrangements to reopen the Kartarpur Sahib corridor for Sikh pilgrims. To ensure adherence to health guidelines, Pakistan has invited India to work out necessary SOPs or standard operating procedures for the reopening of the corridor. Health officials in Punjab had said that since Pakistani citizens also had access to Kartarpur Sahib, there was a danger that some infected individuals could pass on the virus to Indian pilgrims visiting the shrine. 3,871 pilgrims had visited Kartarpur Sahib after crossing over from Dera Baba Nanak border in Gurdaspur between March 7th and 13th. India has questioned the intent of Pakistan's proposal on the opening of Kartarpur corridor. The Indian government also pointed out the 2-day notice period was short. According to the bilateral agreement, it has been stated that the reopening of the corridor requires a 7-day prior notice period. It is to be noted that Pakistan is trying to create a mirage of goodwill by proposing to resume Kartarpur corridor on June 29th at a short notice of 2 days. New Delhi will now hold a consultation with health authorities and Home Ministry on the matter. India has also expressed concerns over Pakistan limiting the corridor to Sikh pilgrims. As per the agreement, the corridor was supposed to be open for all Indian pilgrims and those holding OCI cards. Last November, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had inaugurated the corridor connecting Dera Baba Nanak in India's Punjab with the Kartarpur Sahib Gurudwara in Pakistan.